So exactly a week after Arvind Kejriwal made that massive announcement from the party headquarters that he's going to be putting in his resignation 2 days later, which he eventually did. Now, cut to the next Sunday now, which is where we are right now. He's ready to answer all questions that people of Delhi may have for him in what is now being branded as the Janta Ki Adalat. Let me go across to my colleague Amit Bharadwaj, who's tracking this story for us. Amit, I believe you're at the site where Arvind Kejriwal will very shortly be appearing. Tell us what you understand about this particular development and what's the kind of gathering over there like in terms of the supporters.
Harshit, you know, this is the first rally of Arvind Kejriwal ever since stepped out from Tihar jail and resigned as Delhi Chief Minister. The address at the party office was, focused on the party workers and more of the announcement of his resignation. But this is a clear-cut, massive rally by Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal. I'll request Emmanuel, if possible, to pan the camera on the stage first to get you the visuals from there. You know, Arvind Kejriwal sitting at the center of stage, and right behind him is the big banner declaring Janata Ki Adalat Mein Kejriwal, Kejriwal in People's Court. Now, what is the biggest breaking of this moment that we are bringing to our viewers, Harshit, is the massive claim by Manish Sisodia. Manish Sisodia is claiming at Jantar Mantar that he was being pressurized in Tihar jail. He's saying that there were messengers being sent to him inside Tihar jail. He was asked to betray Arvind Kejriwal, but he refused to do so. He said that Arvind Kejriwal is his friend, his political guru, his mentor, a friend for 26 years, and he is like a Lakshman, cannot betray his Ram. So this is a massive claim coming from former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, saying that inside Tihar jail, he was being pressurized through certain messengers, and that these messengers were being sent by Bharatiya Janata Party. Now we'll have to wait and watch as to how the BJP responds to these big claims by the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia. And even now, as I speak, Manish Sisodia is right there addressing the workers and volunteers and sympathizers of Aam Aadmi Party at Jantar Mantar. We will also have to wait and watch as to how Arvind Kejriwal, looks at these comments, these claims that are being made by Manish Sisodia. But this is the biggest breaking news break on India Today at this moment. Big claims being made by Manish Sisodia at Jantar Mantar. Now remember, this is also the first time Manish Sisodia is addressing the party workers at this scale at a public event in Jantar Mantar, and is making certain claims that he had not made earlier, claiming that he was being pressurized inside Tihar jail, that messengers were being sent by BJP asking him to leave Aam Aadmi Party to betray Arvind Kejriwal, but he refused to do so. He's saying that he's like a Lakshman, cannot betray his Ram. So these are big claims that are being made by Manish Sisodia from the stage at Jantar Mantar. Now it is to be important to note that you have Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia at the center of the stage, and right next to Manish Sisodia is sitting the new Chief Minister of the National Capital, Atishi. I am given to understand she'll be speaking anytime from now after Manish Sisodia's address, and that will be also quite interesting to see as to how, for the first time, ever since Aam Aadmi Party came to power in the National Capital from 2013 till this date, you had Arvind Kejriwal as the Chief Minister of Delhi, but this is the first time when AAP is in power in Delhi, but Arvind Kejriwal is not the Chief Minister of Delhi.
Not the Chief Minister. Yes. It's for the first time. It's for the first time. Amit, thank you so much for bringing us all those details. Let me reiterate for our viewers what exactly is it that the former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia is saying from the dais right now. Big claim coming from the former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia from the podium in this first rally that Arvind Kejriwal will be addressing since he quit as the Chief Minister. Manish Sisodia said that he was asked to take Arvind Kejriwal's name in the jail, leave the party, join the BJP. Massive statement coming from the former Deputy Chief Minister. Let me play out that reaction of Manish Sisodia for you.
इन्होंने मेरा सब कुछ छान मारा, सर का सब कुछ छान मारा, घर द्वार सब खगोल डाला, कुछ नहीं मिला। जब कुछ नहीं मिला तो इन्होंने क्या चाल रची कि कुछ लोगों को, 2-4 लोगों को अंदर पकड़ पकड़ के जेल में डाला। उनको बोला कि देखो बाहर आना चाहते हो तो अरविंद जी के खिलाफ बयान दे दो, नहीं तो जेल में सड़ा सड़ा के मार डालेंगे। उनमें से किसी एक आध आदमी ने कोई झूठा बयान दे दिया। उस झूठे बयान के आधार पर मुझको, संजय सिंह को और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जेल में डाल दिया। लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कह दिया कि इन बयानों से कुछ नहीं होता है, ये तो जब ट्रायल चलेगा तो 2 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएंगे, 2 सवाल नहीं झेल पाएगा तुम्हारा।